Hi, today we're going to learn how to shade a spear using what we learned in previous lesson. So in the spear, we have the highlight right here. This is where the light strike the spear. And you have the midtone, which is right here, and the core shadow, which is right here, and then the reflected highlight and the cast shadow. In this lesson, we go to remove the reflect highlights to keep things a little bit simple. Right, so it will look like this. There's no there's no reflect highlight, just straight from light to core shadow, midtone, and the cast shadow. All right, so this one strictly use a lot of pattern 4, like this one inside the spear, and you do not use any other shading. And outside here we use the pattern 1, and here we use a combination of pattern 1 and pattern 2. Right, so this is just a review of the lesson you learn and apply some of the hatching you did. Right, so first draw a circle. So the circle doesn't have to be perfect. You can draw all one way. You can draw all of this. Break it out 2 parts, or you can draw all one way like this. Go over second, or you can draw like across like this, and you break that the top, bottom, right side, left side, and then you can draw out like this. Right, it doesn't have to be perfect. When you shade, you can correct it. So you shade, do it light first. So as you shade, you can correct some of the when it's not perfectly round. You do light. Again, everything always start with light, be easier to correct. Shade with same direction. If you do from this side, you also should do from a little bit on this side too, same direction. Do again, darker. Even dark, but still very light. Notice right here, I kind of go outside the circle because that's how you make it round. When you shade, it's not perfectly round. And then you can change direction to get some more darkness into it. So this is called cross hatching, meaning you shade this way, and then you change direction. You cross over each other, so that's called cross hatching. You can cross up here, so you change different direction. Do it again. Here you go this way, and you go this way, cross over top of each other, right? Once you got that, you can change direction back to more horizontal. You do this to get darkness. So keep changing direction until you got the highlight, the light right here correctly, and then slowly spread out darker and darker all the way until really dark out here, evenly. All right, so once you finish that, you draw on the outside here so that the spear can stand out more. And this is nothing but pattern 1 that you learn. And you can edge. And then you do a diagonal. Right out here, then you have the cast shadow. Now the cast shadow start from here, and you can just do it lightly out. And you don't need to draw a perfect line around it. It's just kind of shade, so it's slowly faded. And now here, give a little shadow light down here. All right, so that's it right here. Now if this one's still light, you can still go over several layers if you like. Cover it up. It's not as important at the inside of the spear. Just the reflection of the light kind of makes the thing more shiny. Okay, but that's what it is. Okay. All right. Thank you.